guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just made it to the dollar store, and guess what? I'm only allowed to buy the color blue, so this challenge is really going to be hard for me because I usually buy the colors pink, you know. I'm very girly, but blue is definitely out of my comfort zone. So thank you so much, Cynthia, for suggesting the color blue, and you actually got 63 thumbs up, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure you got more by now, but anyways, if you guys want to see more color challenges in the future, just let me know the color that you guys want to see next in the comment section down below, and whoever gets the most thumbs up, of course I will give you a shout out on my next color shopping spree videos. So I hope that you guys really enjoy these videos. But one more thing before we go inside, if you are new to this channel, it's all about shopping. So if you like shopping, then definitely stick around, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I also have a second channel where I post random content, so I would love for you to stick around for both. But it's finally time to go into the dollar store and buy everything that is blue. So the first section that I want to look at is definitely the nail polishes and the makeup. So I can't believe I found this new nail polish remover. We have never seen this before, so very exciting. And the reason why I can get this one is because it has blue packaging, but I have to show you guys the one with the red packaging. I might come back for that one. So please vote for a red color challenge. That would be a lot of fun. But let me go and show you guys the rest of the blue stuff. So here's a closer look of the other nail polish remover. So this one is actually regular, and the blue one is 100% acetone. So that's the difference, you guys. But it says it has a spill-proof pump, which is so cool. I seriously can't wait to try this. So I can't believe I found a bunch of blue nail polishes, you guys. Like every time I look at the nail polish section, I always look for glitter ones and the color pink. So blue is definitely out of my comfort zone. And I see another color that I usually don't buy, which is green. Hopefully you guys vote for that one as well. But there's actually more blue nail polishes on the top, so let me go and show you. And then we can finally move on to the rest of the makeup section. Actually, there's more blue nail polishes down here, you guys. This shade of blue is seriously so gorgeous. And it's the brand Aloe colors, which you guys know I love. And they still have a bunch of these flower nail polishes over here. So a dark blue color. It's really pretty. So this one is actually going to you. I love it so much, and the packaging is gorgeous. And look at this dark blue nail polish, you guys. I love it during this time of year. So this one is going to you as well. So pretty. I'm honestly blown away. They have so many blue nail polishes here, but hands down my favorite is the one with glitter. Hopefully you guys can see it down there, but so pretty. So you guys won't believe what I just found. So the Ioni Lashes, and they have ones with green packaging, red, and of course purple, but they don't have any with blue packaging, which is so disappointing. So it's very tempting to get the ones with green packaging because they are actually extra large, wispy, dramatic lashes. They're gorgeous and they're so dramatic. It's so me. So I might end up failing this challenge. We will see, but I'm trying to have self-control because I really don't want to fail this challenge. Honestly, I wish it was green now because I see a bunch of green things that I want all of a sudden, but I have to show you guys a closer look and then we can move on. So real quickly, I want to show you guys the natural light doll. It's so cute and it has red hearts all over it. So pretty for a natural day. And up here they have natural light wispy, which is really pretty as well. So it's a little bit more than the red one. And here's the one that I really want to get. It's so gorgeous. Extra large wispy dramatic. So beautiful. Honestly, I feel like I'm going to fail this challenge because I really want them, you guys. And I know people are going to buy these out probably today. So I can't help myself. I have to get 2 of these. Actually, I decided to get one more for you guys, so hopefully you can forgive me, but I can't help myself. These eyelashes are seriously my weakness. I'm so sorry that I failed the challenge, you guys, but I'm going to put these wipes over it. But what do you guys think about my basket? Definitely let me know. A lot in my basket, you guys, and pretty much everything is blue besides the eyelashes, but I pretty much failed the challenge, so I might as well just buy every single new face mask, face scrub, and foot scrubs. Like, I can't help myself. Everything over here is so girly. I am so sorry, you guys. I wasn't expecting like all of this new stuff, you know. They also have really big bath bombs that I have to show you, and of course it's pink and it looks so cute. Let me go and show you guys the bath bombs and then I'll show you guys the rest. So here are the new bath bombs, you guys. So this one right here is Goddess, so it's golden pink. It's really pretty to add to a Christmas box. And the other one is Mermaid Life, so honey and pear. I almost forgot to tell you guys what Goddess is. So juniper and musk. I have to know which one you guys are going to get, but so cute. And they have more Goddess over here. And you guys are going to love this one the most. So it says OMG, a unicorn. So strawberry and jasmine. That probably smells amazing. So I have to get this for Evelyn. I can't help myself. I know these are going to sell out very fast because everyone is buying Christmas gifts right now, you know. So really awesome find. Actually, this one has blue on it. Do you see it? Super cute. So it's finally time to move on to the best part. So here are the foot scrubs, and it's peppermint, you guys. That probably smells amazing, and peppermint is really nice on the feet. I'm not even kidding. And here are the facial scrubs, you guys. So I recently tried out the pineapple one. It's really good, so I have to buy this one again. And you guys know I have to bring home the foot scrub as well, so I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram stories, so make sure you follow me on there. So you guys know the best part is definitely the face mask. You guys know I love using a face mask at least every other night because you guys told me that it's not good every night, but I just love how it makes my face feel, you know. But it looks like they have 3 options here, and the rose water and honey is seriously calling my name. Here's the blue one, you guys. So orange blossom and lavender. I love the smell of lavender, so I have to get 2 of these for myself, and I got 1 more for you guys too, but I'm pretty sure these will sell out fast too. And there's also blue on this packaging, so I might as well get it. So once again, I got 1 for you guys. This one is pineapple and aloe vera, and I might as well go ahead and get the rose water and honey. So hopefully you guys forgive me. So one of them is for you again. I just can't help myself. I love rose water. It smells so good. I'm very disappointed, you guys, about the hair accessory section. Like lately, every time I go over there, it's exactly the same. So hopefully they update it very soon. I was hoping to find like fall and Christmas scrunchies, but no luck because everyone always buys out like the scrunchies, you know. So maybe next week we will find new stuff. But it's finally time to move on to the socks and the decor section. Found a bunch of blue socks, you guys, and they're so cute, but it's finally time to look at the candle section. They also have new holders over here, but hopefully I can find some really cute decor pieces, you know, and I'm trying to finish strong, you guys, like just get blue stuff. So hopefully you guys are still enjoying this video. If you are, definitely give it a big thumbs up right now, but let me go and show you guys the candle section. Sorry that I failed the blue challenge, you guys. Honestly, this challenge was so hard because the dollar store brought out new products. It was seriously amazing. So of course I had to get the Ioni Lashes because they're not going to be there the next time I come back to the dollar store. And I also had to get the face mask, the foot scrub, and the face scrub. They're so amazing. Like, I love that brand. And I'm sorry once again that I failed this challenge, but let me know if you guys would have failed this challenge too. But if you guys made it to this point in the video, go ahead and leave a blue heart down below so I know that you made it to this point. And I would love to know the color that you guys want to see next. And whoever gets the most thumbs up, I will go ahead and give you a shout out on my next color shopping spree, so keep that in mind. Anyways, I hope that all of you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next one.